focus back on something that Jane Street was doing in the Indian stock markets. In the last 2.5 years of its operations that have been highlighted in various reports now, and SEBI has finally done a clampdown, impounded 4,800 odd crore rupees, talked about the 36,000 odd crores that they have garnered as profits in the Indian stock markets as well. Of course, so far, the study has been limited to 21 expiries, 21 days, and within that 4,800 crores has been called as illegal. Once this study gets extended to the entire period that Jane Street was working, probably this figure could be much higher as well. So I want to understand from you, one, something that you pointed out, 91% retail, F&O traders, derivative traders losing money. Is it because of players like Jane Street, probably manipulating the market with their heavy algo trades, quant machines? How are you reading into this, ma'am?
See, one is the market manipulation. So that, of course, is there. But there could also be genuine algo trading. And basically, then if you are a person competing against a machine, you may not be fast enough. So in Jane Street case, I see also the thing you must remember is that in any normal strategy, as your size goes up, the profitability of that strategy usually comes down, as you become larger. But if it is happening the other way, as it was happening in Jane Street, then that the bigger you are, you have an impact. If you were only 10% of where you were of your size, you would not have got those profits, which means that you are using the size to essentially move the market or manipulate the market. So that's a totally different ball game. But I mean, the point is that even the investors or entities that were making money, do you know what the average, let alone the people who were losing, the people who were making money, how much they were making? They were making on the average something like 60,000 rupees a year.
Okay.
So this is not something to spend your time on. And I always say that whoever is selling you courses, whether for trading, I see all this thing that you will make
Yes,
1%.
absolutely.
1% every day. So if you make 1% every day, that means in a year you will roughly, your corpus goes up 7 times. So anybody who has this magic wand where they can make 1 crore into, 7 crores, they can make it into 20,000 crores in 5 years. Why the hell are they selling it to you for whatever, a few thousand rupees? So it is everybody that SEBI has hauled up. If you see, the entire money was made by just selling these courses. Nobody ever made any significant money in trading. So don't get conned, don't.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.